I'm recording now, so don't
All
go
right.
crazy on me. Okay, let's try this again. Make sure this works. Here, there. Okay, and we're back. All right, there we go. Cool. So, so this is solutions to equations. What we're doing is we're going to be using tables and graphs to find these solutions. We're going to have ones that look like down here in the bottom too, where there's not in a table or a graph, but we're going to use our calculator to help us out. I can already hear you guys are like, Coach, I don't have a calculator or whatever. I'm going to show you. I'm going to make a whole other video about how to get access to a online calculator.
But didn't you give us a link about that on Google Classroom?
I did, yeah. I went to school and got my own. I got a calculator.
I bet. All right, cool. All right.
But yeah, I'll make a link. Actually, I'll make a totally different video so we don't spend time on that now about how to access the calculator online later. But here's the idea. So the whole idea is that we've got these functions. Like this would be f of x, right? Whatever this function is, it's f of x, whatever it is. Okay. Some function. It's whatever function it is. But we actually don't even care what function it is. But what we're doing is we're trying to find solutions. And what this means is that right here, f of x equals 2. Okay. What that means is, do y'all remember, does this mean x is 2 or y is 2?
It's x is 2, right? It's y?
Is that 2 inside the parentheses or outside the parentheses? That's the next one.
Oh, yeah.
Outside, so it's y. Outside's y, inside x, right? Inside is x, right? Okay.
So outside parentheses is y, right?
So outside is y. So this means that y equals 2. So what we got to do is we got to look at the question and say, what is it asking us for? And then we got to go to the table or the graph that they have for us and then say, okay, we found the thing that they're asking us for. They said y is 2, right? So we look for y equals 2 right here. And then we say, x is 2. So that's the answer, right? So we say x equals 2. And that's our answer.
Okay.
Okay, that's our solution.
Yep.
Okay. So like the next one, it says f of x equals negative 63. So first of all, did they give us x or y?
Y.
Give us y again.
Y.
So this is y is negative 63. And then where is negative 63? Yeah, it's negative 3.
It's
right?
negative 3.
So here, negative 3. So this one would be x equals negative 3. Okay. Kind of see that? What would be what would be C? What would be the answer to C?
Is that negative 9?
That's positive 9.
Okay, so
it's positive 9. It's 3.
Yeah.
Yep, that one would be 3 right here down on the bottom. See that? Y equals 9 right here. So that'd be x equals 3. Yep. Oh, this marker doesn't work. So, y'all hear my yelling kids?
A little bit.
All right. Ignore it.
I can hear them now myself.
Ignore it.
It's all good.
Hey, Ariana.
Maybe I'll shut the door if they keep going. All right, so that's how we could use that with the table. If you'll notice, all of these they gave us y, and then we found the x. That's literally how all of these problems are. They're going to give us a y. We got to find the x. That's it. Okay. So the next set of problems here, number 2. Now we're using the graph, and it actually gives us the equation for this one. Okay, so it's h of x, and they give us the equation. Okay. It's like the top one, but top one they didn't give us an equation.
I can put a note on it.
So for this, okay, for this one, what it's saying is well, here's our function, 3 to the x minus 2, right? That was h of x.
And Mr. Pop, is that a 3 squared on that problem? What does it say right there?
It's 3 to the x power. Let me zoom in a little bit more and see if we can get a little bit.
So 3 to the x power? Okay, bet.
Okay, 3 to the x power minus 2. Okay.
I bet. All right, cool.
And then what this is saying here is our equation, 3 to the x power minus 2 equals 7. So what that says is y equals 7. Okay? So what that means is y equals 7. So we got to come over here and look for where y equals 7, right? Y is the up and down. So we'll go up to here where it's 7, right here.
Yep, I see it.
Okay, and then we look for where they cross. Okay, so that'd be right here. See how my line I drew it here at y equals 7 crosses my graph right here. So we'll go down to see what x that is, and it's 2. Okay, I know this is really small, sorry. Okay, so this would be x equals 2. Okay, because we got this point right here. It would be 2, 7. right?
And that's the Y, right?
7 is the Y, and then the X
Y.
is my answer. So the X is my answer, which is 2.
Okay, all right,
Okay.
cool.
Come on. Oh, wait.
Does that kind of make sense?
Yep.
This one's a
Uh-huh.
little more complicated than just the titles.
How did I get a 75 on this?
You
Wait.
tell me, man.
Wait, so Mr. President.
What's up?
So like you got -2, you got 2. That's your X, right?
That's the
And
X,
then,
yeah.
And then you went up to -7. That's your Y, right?
Well, so what was given to me was the 7, the positive 7 for Y.
Mm-hmm.
And then the X that goes with it would be 2 because that's where those two cross, right? So I draw
thought
and
it
that
was
Y
negative.
equals 7.
There's a minus sign.
Oh, there's not much.
HF.
That's an equal sign.
Oh.
Man, I'm about to work on the quality of this thing.
Yeah, bro.
Maybe it's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
USB
Quality's
port
out of
I'm
there,
using.
coach.
I'll have to
Well, I
look
mean,
at the
it's good.
recording because my screen I'm looking at, but of course I am what's the word? I'm on a
I
computer.
mean,
That's number one.
it's better for you because.
And number 2, like I'm not on a phone, so maybe that's what it is.
Yeah, it's better for you. We can't. All right.
No, I can see.
There you are, Ariana.
Okay, let's see. So the next one, it says same function equals 25. So what this one's saying is y equals 25. Okay, so y equals 25 would be like way off the charts up here somewhere. So the graph doesn't really help us with that one. That's
Y
fun.
equals 25.
That's helpful.
Mhm.
So what I can do instead is I'll use my calculator. I'll cheat. I'm gonna cheat for a second. 3 to the x power
3.
minus 2.
How to put this one right here? Like
Oh man,
like
the
the
quality's terrible.
right here. Oh, right here.
Right, looking for where y1 and y2 are the same.
Yeah,
So
it's a
that'd be
25 thing. Yes,
Right. So that'd be 3. So x equals 3.
3.
And sorry, you guys
Well.
don't, more than likely, don't have calculators. So like I said, I'll try to show that later. Let's see if I can, what if I improve the lighting? Maybe that'll help. Because now I'm starting to notice the quality sucks. Is that better?
Got it.
I don't have the paper.
A.
Yeah, I know, buddy. This is just random stuff. Not bad, buddy. What I'll do is I'm going to post this to the YouTube channel as well, so you can check it out as well. Okay.
I accept it.
Yep.
Sorry, Twitch, by the way.
What's up?
Sorry, Twitch.
Oh, cool. Yeah, Thursday I was
Hey,
planning
Jim.
on doing a tutorial session again. So if you guys want to do that, that's at 2 o'clock.
I know you play COD.
Yeah, I play games when nobody's asking me questions. So.
Hey, Jay.
Anything.
And actually on
Hey,
Friday I
Eric.
just played games like just cause I was just playing. Okay, this last one here. This one says y equals -1, all right? Because that's the number on the outside there. So then we go to -1 here for y. Okay, that's the key here. It's not x, it's y equals -1.
Equals -1.
Okay, and so then we look for where the graph crosses. Well, this time it's right here. And the x value that would go with that would be 0. Okay, because that's right on the x or the y axis right there. So it'd be x equals 0.
Equals 0.
Okay, so that point would be 0, -1. Okay.
Yep.
So that's how we can find them using graphs. All right. These equations on this stuff and these things and these assignments, they always look really scary. Like they look weird. They're like weird equations. They'll be exponentials. They'll be logarithms. They'll be the rationals. All those weird looking ones. But don't let that scare you. You just gotta use the table and graph like we have in the past already.
Wait. So how you get 0?
Oh, how did I get 0? So this was y equal -1, right? That's what they gave us. So
That's a
-1
y.
for y was down here.
Okay.
And then I look for where the graph crosses that line I just drew. Okay, so the graph, I follow it. It crosses right here. Okay, and that's x equals 0 right there.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
All right. let's see. Let's move on to this one here. Let's do that one there. Okay. This one says find the solution of blah equals -7. Okay. What matters
3
is
minus
this
1
right here. Okay. Here's our graph right here. Here's y equals -7. Here's our graph, -3 to the x minus 1 plus
Minus
2, right? The solution is
2.
where they
Got it.
cross. Where do they cross? Right there. Okay, what's that x value? Okay, so x equals 3. So this would be x equals 3.
3x plus 2. Now the x minus 1. Got it. And then the x equals 3. And the y equals -7. Got it.
Okay, so
Well,
notice how the left side of the equation, that one's drawn, right? That one's drawn here. Then the right side of the equation, -7, that was also drawn. Okay, so like up here, I was drawing them for. I had to draw the other line for me. Some of them they give it to us, so it's just where they cross. Okay, it's just where they cross. Look for where those two lines cross, and then what's the x value that goes with that? So that was 3. Okay,
I think it's opposite or something.
what's the opposite?
The lines on it.
How are they opposite? What do you mean, buddy?
Like a positive, negative.
Not
I'm
quite
kidding.
sure what we're talking about. Maybe that'll come up later. All right. Maybe I'll get clarification later. All right. Let's take a look at a couple more of these.
Yeah.
So like, gosh, that got cut off. Like number 6 over here on the left. What would be my solution to that one? It got cut off up here, but just looking at it, what would be my solution?
3.
3.
3? Positive 3?
Oh, you
Yep.
talking about?
What's the
well,
solution? What would be the solution to this guy here? Right, this says 3 here, yeah. This would be 4 log -x plus 2, like that, whatever. What would be the solution to this one?
Solution.
Any ideas? They
Hmm.
cross. Where do they cross?
Oh, -4.
-4, there we go.
-4?
It's close.
Yeah.
I mean,
exactly.
I'd probably count -4. I mean, if you get like really nitpicky, it's like
Oh, okay.
-3 point
Okay.
something. But no, it's like -4. I'll take that. Okay, it's that
Yep.
x
Yep.
value where they
-4.
cross. Okay?
I would
my brain like hurting me.
I'll take that. X equals -4. Perfect.
That's
like-
I knew it.
Knowing that, what
Okay.
about the next one?
Let's see.
What's the answer to the next one? What's
And it's like negative, and I like negative 3 or something like that.
It's almost
Wait,
-3.
oh,
It's
yeah,
in
wait,
between -3 and -2.
Like 2.5 or something.
-2.5. I'd go with that.
Yeah, I make it 2.5. So I think
I could go with that.
Hmm.
I
'Cause
agree.
It's in between -3 and -2. So that'd be the solution in that one. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so that's kind of the idea. That's what we're doing. Okay, let me show you. Here we go. How about these ones? So when we have stuff like this, use your calculator to determine the solutions of the related equations. So we got an equation that looks kind of scary, an equation that we've never really solved before, but we can use our calculator to help us out, right? So we can just go in here, just like normal. We
I'm
go
on it.
y1 being the left side, 2 square root x.
Square
And
root.
this is an old school calculator too, so it doesn't look as fancy as y'all's.
All right.
2. Okay,
All
so we
right,
put
2.
y1, y2 in there. Okay, look for where y1 and y2 match. It's the x, so x equals 1.
Oh,
That'd be the first
I got it. 1.
Okay,
1.
perfect.
I was.
Okay, for the next one, it's the same thing on the left, but the right changed. So I'll just change y2
That's
to
4.
4.
Wait, no.
4. The second graph. Oh, it's 4.
That's
Right?
4, yeah.
Same equation on the left. Now it's a 4 on the right.
4.
So yeah, they match at 4. So it's x equals 4.
Genius. Genius.
I seriously miss you guys.
I
Okay.
miss you too. I
Thank
miss
you.
you too.
Okay. Let's look at that last one.
9. It's 9.
Got it.
9.
And again, I'll make a whole other video about how to use or how to get hooked up to the internet calculator, because Texas Internet Instruments was nice enough to share that with everybody.
Man, I should have took me up. I should have took me a calculator on. That's so
Man, if we would have known like this was going to happen after spring break, I would have sent everybody home with a calculator.
What?
I would have asked everybody if like, hey, you got a laptop? You got a
Yeah.
laptop? You need a laptop. Here, take a laptop.
all day.
Because man, it's been a pain trying to get a hold of everybody.
Oh God, I'm in school still. All that.
But
I'm been stressed out. Man.
I have a computer.
That's pretty much the gist. What do you think? How are we feeling so far? We feeling pretty good about this stuff?
Mr.
Yeah.
Papa, I'm gonna need you to go back. I'm gonna need you to go back to some problem. That one problem, because that problem is.
What,
I'm really
Jamie?
lost
What?
in that. I'm kind of lost in that.
Something's going on. Hold on.
Huh?
What type of problem did you need? Like the graphs, the
I think
tables?
like number 4 or something. Yeah, no, not the tables, the graphs.
One like this? Because I got more.
The graphs, I'm like confused on a little bit.
Okay, here I got more. I got more graphs. Yeah. How about like this one? Like number 9 down here. Okay. So there's three different things here. We're looking for a y is 10, y is 4, and y is 7.
Hello,
Are we losing people? What's going on?
Mr. Papa.
Can y'all hear me?
I'm rebooting on my computer.
No.
Ooh, did we lose?
Yeah.
Did we lose me?
Mr. Papa.
Can y'all hear me?
I can hear you.
I hear you.
Mr. Papa.
Okay. All right. So for this one, here, if we can keep going. For this one, okay, it's a graph. We got this equation right here. Okay, whatever it is. Like I said, they can be nice and scary, crazy looking equations. But what matters is what's over here. Y equals 10, y equals 4, and then this is y equals 7. All right. So we can start at the top one. Y equals 10. Okay, we go up to y equals 10. That'll be right here. All right.
That's your Y.
That's my y equals 10. Okay.
All right,
So then my
okay.
answer that I'm looking for is where y equals 10, this little dotted line I drew, and then the
Where it
graph
crosses.
where they cross. So that'd be right here.
Okay.
So that's gonna be
That x
that's
value
negative
would be,
This should be
7.
9.
That's
would
7.
be 9. Yep. It's 9.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, 9. Yeah, 9. Okay. So
Okay.
okay, yeah, I get it. So technically, they give you the Y,
Just
and all you gotta do
Y
is find
equals
out if like that line
4.
crosses that line.
So
Exactly.
that'd be 1. Okay.
All right, man. Yeah.
Okay.
Got it. I
So
know what to do.
Alicia, you got a question?
yeah, but never mind.
Never mind. You good? You
Yeah,
sure?
never mind. Yeah, I'm okay. I understand.
Okay.
I'm here, Alicia.
Hi, Nathan.
Okay, so that's kind of the idea. That's really it. I mean, this is we actually had like there were actually 2 units that were associated with this. So
Yeah, all I need is
I would have been doing a lot of
calculator.
fluff to this, to be honest.
Yeah, all I need is a calculator, and I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, exactly. So let's do this. Let me just, while I'm on here, let's do the stop share. Let's go back to this. Let's do screen share, but now let's look at my internet so I can show you.
It's probably he just woke up.
I've been up since like 8.
Yeah, me too. I feel you.
I actually took a shower this morning. Okay, that was a feat.
But I was gonna take a shower, man. I need to take a shower. I was gonna take a shower. I was doing some other work, and I mean, like, no. After this, I'm about to take me a shower for sure. Like, I'm about to get the shower. But I'm out of here.
Coach Pavin,
What's up?
you said Thursday you're gonna be doing this again.
Thursday I'll be on my Twitch doing tutorials.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah. I can't. I don't think I can do the assignment.
Why do you say that, Jason?
I don't know. Just don't feel like it.
Dang.
Okay.
Ouch.
Well, it's graded, so I mean,
I don't
Bugging,
I don't
bro.
have any confidence to do it, Mister. I'm sorry. Like this week, this quarantine, this I'm not feeling it, man. I'm sorry.
I feel you, buddy. Like, it sucks. I don't like this at all. I'll be honest. Like, I would much rather be in class with you guys.
I
Yeah.
hate
I
this.
feel like
hate
I
this
actually
quarantine.
finally got sleep.
Like,
I mean, this online class, it doesn't help you at all.
no, the
Yeah,
Edgenuity
it
sucks.
sucks.
No, I'll admit, Edgenuity
it
sucks.
really does
That's
not.
why I didn't assign
No,
anything through
yeah.
Edgenuity. Like, I made something
I
myself.
hate
I
ingenuity.
didn't-
Please don't.
Other
put that
teachers
in.
are
Like,
assigning things through Edgenuity.
I
I'm
mean,
not
it's
doing that.
because like I'm not even ahead at all. I'm like 0.2 done. Like
What's
I'm not.
nice is that
Were
you
we
just gotta
supposed to
do
do
you just
Edgenuity?
gotta do the assignment that the teachers assign. You don't have to
I don't-
necessarily do Edgenuity anymore.
Yeah.
I don't like
It just
this
depends on what they
because
assign.
I have so many questions and I have no way to ask y'all anything.
Yeah, I gotcha. That's why, so that's why I wanted to structure this like this. Like a Tuesday, so I'll assign the thing Monday. Tuesday, I'll do like this teaching session thing where I like
Yeah.
teach you
Hey,
the
guys.
material.
You didn't miss me?
And then Thursday, what I'll do is run like a tutorial session where you can ask me like specific questions, if that makes sense.
Just no ingenuity, please.
I'll do my
Yeah,
best.
Yeah,
None of
Mr.
that.
Problem.
I need
I
help.
I
That's
made
so
this assignment from
confusing.
scratch, so
Nah,
Oh,
not
bro.
Mr.
Thank
Problem, but
Just help me.
But
I need
Mr.
help
Problem.
on the assessment or something. I don't know what's it called.
no. Here, I was going to show you guys. So if you didn't know, I posted the assignment. This is the Google Classroom, whatever. It's got the assignment week April 13th. Okay, that's where it is. I wonder if y'all can.
Huh? Wait, hello,
Hey,
Mr. Problem.
what's
Ain't this stuff
poppin'?
recording?
Yeah, Jamie.
It is why.
You know, can't you like send this thing to Google Classroom or something?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I was gonna go in the Google Classroom.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. That's what I was doing. Sorry, thank you. You reminded me. I was like, why am I here again? I did that because I was gonna show you where I posted the calculator. It is down
I
here.
got YouTube. The heck?
It's the only reason I got a 75 on your test because I couldn't
March-
do the calculator.
March 27th, down the way, down here. It's in the assignment too. I posted I put a link on there. Here's your
Twice.
free calculator right here. You just click the link. Okay.
I got the calculator.
You hit select software for students.
Okay.
And then what you guys want, you want this one right here.
Oh,
You want the one all the way on the left. Okay, not these ones. You want the one on the left.
That one.
TI
Yeah.
SmartView CE emulator. It's TI 84 plus. That's what you want. Okay.
Okay.
And then you got to enter your email.
I'll bet 83 here.
Yep, I got a calculator, Jay, right here.
Okay.
Do we put it up?
There.
Yep.
Okay. You get to this point. Okay.
Mm,
You got to download the thing, and then you got to enter the license number. So they give you the license number right here. I just highlight it and hit copy. Download it.
I'll get some.
It's going to take a little bit, whatever. Depending on your speed or whatever.
That's that AT&T network that you use.
Yeah, today is the first.
AT&T? No, sorry, Xfinity.
Ew,
Hmm?
ew,
Mhm.
ew.
Oh my god.
Xfinity is good. What are you talking about?
For real.
I mean, I am, like live streaming right now, so
Coach
multitasking.
Pavin,
What's up?
I have a question.
Okay.
What you just taught us, is it in the paper packets that they're
It
giving out at school?
is.
yeah, good, bro.
It
Good. I was
is
about to
in
be,
there.
Okay, because that's the only way I'm about to do this.
That AGU
So-
stuff, but that stuff you use.
Here's the thing. Here's what I did. So
Wait, did we ever have to do Edgenuity? Because I never did.
it was no. I haven't.
No.
I haven't done any requirements on there. So in the paper packet, here you go. It's pages 47 through 57 right here.
Okay, it does not have numbers.
Well, I mean, I don't know.
Wait, is it required? Because I don't have the packet. So
You, no. It's
I
not
have
required.
it, Jason. If you go onto the Google Classroom, if you click on this link right here where I said the email I sent to your parents on the 13th, you click that Google Doc. There's a link to the packet right here, paper packet right here.
yeah, I got it.
You can click that, okay? And I'll give you a link to the paper packet. So it's got
Let's
some
see.
notes. It's got notes on the things that I just talked about too.
I can print it. Yeah. Can I print it?
Of course, yeah. It's a
Yeah, you
PDF.
can print
Print it. If y'all want to do the paper packet instead of my Google form, absolutely you can do that. You're just gonna have to get creative about how you get it to me. I mean, you can take a picture of it or
No, I'm gonna do Google form. I ain't doing all
I
that.
Text
have
it to me or
another
something.
question.
Mhm.
okay, shoot.
Yeah. Okay. I
What?
got it.
What are you grading us on what you put on the Google
All right.
Classroom
Going
right
for
now?
So it's what I'm grading you guys on is that Google form that I posted yesterday
Okay.
or the paper packet.
Okay.
That's this week. It's one or the other.
Oh, this
What if you
week.
do both?
What's up?
I said, what if you do both?
What if you do both?
Maybe.
You get a high five? I don't know.
She's trying to get that extra credit.
You get a social distancing high five?
I'm just asking because no.
I
I
mean,
was
you
just
can do
asking
both if you
because-
want.
Hey, I'm bored right now. I'm about to do anything I can.
It's okay,
okay?
Najee.
That-
Man, I don't think I've ever been
Extra.
that bored. Like
Never.
doing work like twice the amount of work.
We're stick together. Yeah.
Like I enjoy my job better right now than before. That's the only boredom I have.
Okay, I don't know what happened to. Oh, there it is. Okay, see, so can y'all see my screen still?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so see now I've got this guy loaded or whatever, so now I can click on him. So he'll pull up now. And yes, I want to activate my license. Select that one. Okay. Put in your stuff. Put in my stuff here.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
There, my region is US. No, I don't care about that.
Alabama.
And then here's my license key. Paste. Boom. Remember, they gave me a license key when I hit that. I copied and pasted that over. Okay. Accept. Oh my gosh, this takes so much longer than I thought.
So how long does it take?
I'm almost done. Okay. I don't care. Whatever. Next.
Wait a minute. Spanish?
And
I didn't take Spanish.
and cool. Okay. See, so now I got the calculator. Of course, I want to click up here because this calculator doesn't look like the one that we use. I want to go just TI-84 plus. Okay, that one looks a lot more like ours. It's just missing the screen, which is here. I put it here. Okay, so you can type it in the same way you normally do. You got y equals. You got second matrix. Ha ha. Sorry. You got stat edit. It's all there. Okay, second quit.
All right, man. I'm gonna do your assignment right
Yep,
now.
got
I'm
that.
finna do
Okay.
it right now.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, you guys can when you're doing the assignment, you can edit your responses. So if you've already done it and you're not cool with your score, you're like, oh man, this sucks. You can go back to the assignment. There's a little link underneath where it says view score. It says edit responses. You can go through and change all your stuff. So,
Yeah. I'm not gonna do no. No, I'm gonna do Google Forms, bro. That's better for me, bro.
I mean, it's multiple choice, so I feel like it makes it easier.
Yeah, it makes it
Oh, look
so
at
much
Nathan's
easier.
got his own calculator. There you look at that. Attaboy.
Yep. I got a calculator.
This
Well,
is-
my brother gave it to me.
This was the one that I used when I was in high school.
We got the same one, coach.
Are you serious?
Mhm.
You got the TI-83 plus?
Yeah, here.
They're pretty. Yeah, no, they work a lot like the TI-84 pluses.
Yeah.
They're just not as fancy. But
I use it for my SAT.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's Texas.
But yeah, so that's how we can get to the calculator. It kind of sucks because you have to like go through their website and like get the key and stuff because you technically have to like register it. And you'll have this for 6 months for free. So yeah,
Yeah.
let's do this. Let's go back to this. All right.
Mhm.
So how are we feeling? What do we think?
I'm doing this.
Look
I'm
great.
doing your assignment right now. So
All right, cool.
Look great, Jamie.
I'm trying to
Um,
redo that assignment. I guess I don't want that 75 anymore.
Yeah, go get that 100. Go get that 100 now that you know how to access the calculator. Okay. What else was I gonna say? Next assignment, I gotta submit it by Friday, so hopefully I'll have it sent out to you guys earlier Monday. I actually like made it all Monday throughout the day and then sent it to you guys in the afternoon. So there's that. Any other questions about stuff? It doesn't have to be math related. It could be anything.
I have a question.
What's up?
So how are you gonna take the grades? So like
I'm just gonna take like if you do the Google form, I get your grade right when you submit it.
okay.
Kids doing the paper packet, you'll just have to get it creative. I mean, you could take a picture of it, send it to me. You could, if you could scan it somehow, or you could call me or you could text me with the answers. You can literally say,
Mr.
text me.
Private House,
Number one is B or whatever. I don't know.
Oh my god.
They told us to be super flexible about getting everybody in there. So yeah.
I have one question. Wait, do you take finals? Cause like I heard other districts they don't. Their finals they're canceled. So
Okay, so Jason, there's nothing official
May
yet,
4th or
but I
something.
can't imagine that we'd be taking finals.
yeah, me too.
It's
Freebie.
again, that's not official. That's not official. I'm not an authority on that, but just know that we're probably not going to be taking finals.
Yeah,
So
being Branch said it's official. Like
Hey, Andrew.
If I'm being completely honest, 100% my opinion, I don't think we're going back to school this year, unfortunately. But that's my opinion. That is not CFISD. CFISD, we're still going back on the 4th.
so what's not?
I doubt it. Yeah.
So
We'll probably know by
wait,
the end
wait,
of this
wait.
week, honestly.
We're not gonna go back to the
It's
fourth.
kind of
We're
sad.
not.
Man. It's kind of sad.
May 4th. Yeah, exactly. To go back to school. Mhm.
'Cause my birthday is on the 9th, and I don't feel like seeing nobody.
So yeah.
So what if we do go back to school?
And we go back to
May
school,
4th.
and it is what it is. I can tell you that they've already told us that if we go back to school, it's still going to be our grading system is going to be a lot like it is now. We're only going to have 1 grade a week. It's not going to be like normal school. I can tell you that.
Okay.
Like
I can
there'll
deal
probably
with
be
that.
different policies and procedures. Like it'll be a headache. And a lot of people, I bet their parents probably won't even have them come because they'll be scared, you know, like there'll probably be a good chunk of kids. So I just can't. And again, this is my opinion. I just can't see them justifying coming back to school this year.
Oh no, I'm getting kicked out the house. I have a black mama. She do not play.
Oh my god. What the?
18 and graduated out.
Oh my god.
No. This is how it went for my family. It was here. I'm gonna stop recording. We're not doing math anymore.